Hello dear traders, welcome to the channel, and in today's video we're going to review one of the oldest and at the same time still very profitable trading strategy that called turtle soup. That was created by famous trader Linda Raschke in latest 1980s. And this strategy is unbelievably simple. However, it's also very powerful, and the most important for us is very profitable. So the core idea for the strategy is to catch fake breakouts, which also known as liquidity sweep nowadays, when big market players and institutional players are grabbing some liquidity, the stop losses of retail traders, and pushing price on the opposite direction. So this strategy is performing on daily time frame only, and it's multi-currency trading strategy, so you can use it on all available assets in your broker terminal. Like I have it here opened Alpari terminal on MT4, and you can use it on all available currency pairs, commodities, gold, cryptocurrencies, and etc. Whatever you have available. So let's deep dive into the strategy itself. So just to start analyzing the chart, you need to open the daily time frame as already mentioned, and you will also need to use one of the instruments here on MetaTrader platform. You can find it under Insert, Shapes, and Rectangles. So you need to draw from the first available closed daily candle the box that consists of 20 daily candles. As you can see, I draw it here. So let's do it again. Let's assume this was our last daily candle, and now we are going to review the signals for buy. So for example, we take Insert, Shapes, and Rectangle. We mark today's opened candle, right? And we are drawing the 20 period box, and as you can see, it's easily to draw. Next to the cursor you can see the numbers 12, 13, and you just spread it till 20, and now you mark it the high of this box. This is the highest point of this box, and the lowest point of the box, which is here. We mark it by all these wicks of the candles, or the bodies or wicks of the candles. So in this case, we have our 20 days box where we build it up on the maximum and the high and the low of this box, and we need to wait the moment when the price will break out one of the high or low of this box. If we break the high of the box, we sell. If we break the low of the box, we buy. So as you can see here on this signal candle, it happened the breakout of the daily 20 candle box low, and we managed to grab the liquidity here. So once this breakout has happened, we need also to pay attention to the next important condition of this trading strategy, that from the low of the 20 days box and the distance between the breakout candle and the candle that's forming the low of the box, it should be more than 4 candles. So as you can see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have 7 daily candles. The distance is more than enough, it's more than 4. So this breakout we consider valid, and we can enter the market. How we enter the market? Once the candle is breaking the low of this 20 days box, we set the sell stop order just slightly above the breakout, the lowest level of this box, something like this, as I mark it here with the yellow horizontal line. And when the price will come back to the box, inside of the box, it will activate our buy stop order. Then once the order is activated, we place our stop loss slightly above the wick of this signal candle. So as you can see here, the distance here will be, the stop loss is around 47 pips, and we wait how this situation will develop, and we fix the profit on the opposite side of the box, or we just can close the part of the position once we reach the opposite side of the box, and other position to set to break even. But even though if we close the position on the opposite side of the box, we will be managed to earn here 344 pips, or we can put a trailing stop and trail this strategy for a long time. As you can see here, we could potentially make more than 1000 pips. If we're talking about the sell signal is the opposite one. For this cell, we marked again 20 period the box with 20 candles, and we mark the lowest, the low of the box and the high of the box, and we wait once one of these levels will be broken by the candle. As you can see here is our uh, high of this box, and we got the signal candle that's broke the high of the box, and we count if there is the distance between the high of the candle that forms the high of the box and the breakout candle. If we have like four candles, 1 2 3 4 5 6, we have six, so it's valid breakout. If it will be less than four, so we don't consider this signal. So again, we once it's broken the level by the candle, before the candle come back inside of the box, we set our uh, sell stop order in this case, right? And we place it just slightly above the maximum level of the box. Once the price comes back into the box, inside of the box, it activates our sell stop order, and we can place the stop loss. Stop loss we place slightly um, above the highest wick of the signal candle, so like this, as you can see market on this on the chart. So it will have like 47 again pips the stop loss, and potential profit we can fix on the opposite side of the box, which will be approximately 189 pips. Or we can also close the one of the half of the position once we reach the opposite side of the box, and other half of the position we can set to the break even and trail this trade. As you can see, we managed to catch the trend reversal, and in this position we could stay for very long time, and potentially we could make like over the, you see, 900 pips. So with the potential loss of 47 pips. As you can see, guys, the strategy is very simple and doesn't require any trading skills, doesn't require any fancy indicators. The only things you need to do is just once the day is closed, like in this case, so we have this day closed on 8th of August, and starting from this candle we draw our 20 days box. As you can see, which I'm doing, so 1920, we mark the low of this box and the high of the box, and we wait once one of the levels will be broken by the price, and then we can enter or buy or sell, depending what level was broken. I hope the strategy will be very useful for you and you can use it, and my personal opinion on the strategy is very profitable. I personally use it from time to time. As I said initially on the video, that since we are trading on the daily time frame, if you're using only one currency asset for trading, you may not have a lot of signals during the year. So I recommend to place and open all available assets for trading on your broker terminal and monitor all of them. And you will have pretty much a lot of signals, believe me, during the year. And as you can see, the potential growth of the account is evident with 1000 pips of potential profit and very small stop loss. So anyways, you will be profitable by the end of the year. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for new videos.